Hi, Christopher Brown here, Easy Breezy Math tips for teachers and students. You know why math is not fun for you? It's because you've never made your own equations, right? This is a lesson I'm sure you've never done in class. I never did it. Someone showed this to me. I have to be honest, someone showed this to me. Shout out to Robert Verisman. How to get these done, because if we make it, we can break it down, right? So how to get these equations done in a way that it makes so much sense to us and to our students is it's going to be phenomenal. What I have here is I started off right here with my simple x equals 4. Okay. Now this is usually our last step of the equation when we get all the way down to the bottom and we've solved it. We found x, we found our variable, and we have a value for our x. Okay. But have we ever taken a look and see how did it get to this equation that I have here down on the bottom? So what I have here is I'm going to take us through a progression, and this is great to do with your students. You can go ahead and start off with x equals 4. Then what you want to do is say, what happens when I multiply both sides by 2? Now, well, that would be 2 times x, then would equal 8. Okay. What happened with then if I subtracted 1 from both sides? That would be 2x minus 1, that would equal 7, because 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. Then what happens if I divided both sides by 7? Well, then I would have 2x minus 1 divided by 7. And here, divided by 7 equals 1. All right. See how we're going here? Let's take a look at the last thing I did here was I added 4 to both sides. So now I have the 2x minus 1 divided by 7 plus 4 equals 5, because 1 plus 4 is 5. So now I have my equation. And we made this equation together as a class. And so what I want to do now is I want to take this same equation and say, okay, so now if you have your 2x minus 1 divided by 7 plus 4 equals 5, how would I solve that equation, right? That's what we want to get to. Well, I'll just do the same things that I did here. It would make sense first that I would do the opposite of these things, which is to subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, I'll subtract 4 from both sides. I'll get the 2x minus 1. Subtract 4 there, and that equals like 1. I'm not going to write out subtract 4. We don't do all that in easy breezy math. It's just too much. Okay. Here, I divided by 7, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. 2x minus 1 then will equal 7. Okay. I have the minus 1. I minus 1, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Then I'll have the 2x equals 8. And my last step would be divide both sides by 2. And I'll end up with my x equals 4, just where I started from right there. Okay. So that's a great way to show how equations are made. If we understand how we made them, then we should see how we can just do the opposite to unmake those same equations. All right. Hope you like this video. Easy breezy math. Go ahead and click the like button and subscribe. More videos to come. We'll see you on the next one.